So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Siri can't show result while in the car, driving focus and setting fix. So how to fix Siri can't show result while in the car. Your iPhone is trying to protect you while driving, so Siri limit what it shows on screen. Turning off driving focus remove that restrictions. How to fix it? Turn off driving focus in settings or control center, set it to manual and restart your iPhone to restore normal Siri results. So fix one is turn off driving focus. Open setting on your iPhone and tap focus. Select driving then turn it off. This error usually appear because your phone thinks you are driving and block result for safety. Fix 2 is disable auto activate driving mode. Go to setting then focus then driving. Tap while driving under turn on automatically. Set it to manually so it won't turn by itself again. Third fix is check Siri settings. Open setting then search and Siri. Make sure listen for Hey Siri and allow Siri when logged and turn on. This helps Siri respond normally even when the screen is locked. Thank you.